How to freeze your Lloyds bank account. So to freeze your Lloyds bank account, you'll firstly want to open up the app and then click on the card section right at the bottom. Then once you've done that, you'll just want to click on card freezes and limits. And then from there, it'll open you up to this page here. And as you can see, you can freeze various aspects of your Lloyds bank account, such as freezing the card in general, freezing online payments, as well as freezing contactless as well. But if you are genuinely just wanting to freeze every aspect of your bank account so no one can use your card, you just want to go ahead and click on full freeze. And then once you've fully frozen your card, no one will be able to use it. So it's a good security feature to have, perhaps if you've had your card lost or stolen. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. But of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.